In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain and hosting on Bluehost. Now it's really simple and easy to do, and if you want to get 70% off your hosting, click the link at the top of the description and you'll be able to activate that deal. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, we want to go to the link in the description, as I said, and you can click on that link and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Now this is going to give you a 70% discount on your hosting, so it's a great discount to start with. You also get a free domain and free SSL certificate, all that kind of stuff. So once we're here, we want to go and click on this button that says Get Started Now. And we want to pick what plan do we want. So this one is £1.58 per month. This is the basic one. It gives you a website, storage, free hosting, and professional email. Now, this is probably the one that you want to go for. But if you want to go for any of these, like you've got an online store or something, then go ahead and pick one. But I'm going to show you this one for now. So we've got a few options here. We can either use an existing domain, or we can create a new domain, or alternatively we can just skip this and do the domain part later. So considering we want to go ahead and buy a domain, you're going to have to go and select your domain in here. So put any domain in. I'm going to put EasyL. So easyl.co.uk. I'm going to click search domains, and you see it's added to cart. So now what you want to do is you want to go ahead here, and you're going to need to put all of your details in. So you need your first name, last name, country, address, city, state, postcode, phone number, email, create a password, confirm the password, and then we can go down here and we can go ahead and it tells us the package information. So we're going to be on the basic account plan. So this is the WordPress basic hosting, so you get a WordPress website with this. So the service term, we've got 1 month, 12 months, or 36 months. So I'm going to select the 12 months just because this is the cheapest overall. You can see it's only £1.58 a month for 12 months. So it's similar to this, just a tiny bit more expensive, but overall it's much cheaper. So this is the hosting price here for the year, £19. And you can see here we get a free domain. So that was the one that we just typed in there. And we also get our free SSL protection. Now down here we got some package extras. You can select which ones you need. I'm going to deselect all of them. This is probably the only one that you do need, the privacy. This will mean that your information is private from the domain. So I'm going to go ahead and just deselect every single one of these here. And we're at the grand total of £22.82p for a whole year of hosting and a domain. And that's a £95 saving, which is actually 83%. So it's pretty good, very good value overall. Next up, we want to go into here. We have to put our card details in, or we can pay by PayPal. It's really up to you. Okay, so now that we've put all of our details in and we've paid for our domain, we should be in a place that looks a little bit like this. And at this point, you have your domain and hosting set up. So your domain should be in this section here where it says domain, and the hosting should be in this section here. Now, with your hosting, you also get a WordPress website. So you can host your website on there. And if you want to go ahead and edit the site, you can click edit site there, or you can go to the settings. But that's basically how you do it. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe. And also make sure you go down below, click the link at the top of the description to get 70% off of your Bluehost subscription. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.